Hello, all of you. Today I would be explaining some of the good hygiene practices which are required to be followed while preparing or handling the food. So, going forward, I would be explaining each point one by one to you. Everyone should always wash their hands before handling the food and after handling the food for at least 10 to 15 seconds. This will help us eliminate all the germs or the dirt over the hand. One should never smoke cigarette or chew chewing gum or spit anywhere over the floor where the food is being prepared or being handled. One should take care of this. If there is an urge to sneeze or cough at the workplace, then one should try to get away from that place and go to a safe distance and sneeze or cough over there so that the food which is being prepared over there should not get contaminated. All the employees working at the workplace should always wear an apron, the hairnet and the beard net if required. This will prevent the hairs from falling into the utensils and getting in contact with the foodstuffs which are being prepared. All the personal things such as handbags, mobile phones, watches should not be allowed to bring into the premises. They should be kept in the outside storeroom away from the kitchen facility. All the employees must cut their nails regularly and should keep them short. They should also try to avoid the usage of nail polish as it may lead to the contamination of the foodstuffs by the toxic chemicals of the nail polish. All the employers or the handlers of the foodstuffs must remove their bracelets, strings or rings outside the kitchen facility because this may lead to the trapping of the foodstuffs over their skin. Moreover, if the strings are of religious importance, then a clean handkerchief may be tied over the string and protected from getting in contact with the foodstuffs. Usually, unwell people should avoid from handling the foodstuffs. But still, if there are small bruises or small wounds, then waterproof bandages of 2 or 3 layers should be used in order to protect them and in order to avoid the contact with water or the foodstuffs. The washing area of the utensils or the other equipments should be away from the kitchen or the workplace facility. The garbage bins or the dustbin should be outside of the kitchen facility.